you will be creating a new Python project. This project will be housed within a folder in your computer, and this folder we will be tying it to a GitHub repo or repository that you will be able to track indefinitely. Okay, so let's get started by creating the folder. I'll be calling my folder your project. Okay. After you create your folder, your fun folder name, access your project, your empty folder. And of course, because it's empty, there's nothing inside, well, obviously. Okay. But after you're done with that, we're gonna access our GitHub, and if you're logged in, just type github.com/new, and it should take you to this page, basically this site. All right. Now for in here, the only information you need to populate is, let me make it larger, the repository name. I will just give it the same name as my folder that I created, which is called your project. Oh, it already exists because I created it already. I will be creating it as repository name will be your project 2. Okay. Actually, I'll make it more fun. Your project 2. All right. Okay, and now the description is optional. You can type anything here, or not type. You can type anything you want here, or not type anything at all. So I won't type anything. And then you have this option to make it either private or public. I'll make it a private repository so that nobody can look at it. Okay, and after that, we're just gonna go create repository. Click on the create repository button. Okay. Now after you've done that, it should give you this this site, this section, and you're gonna basically copy paste all the information here under or create a new repository on the command line. So just copy here with that button that you see here, or just select everything and copy, and then you're gonna paste it within your command line. If you're currently at that folder location. Okay, so just gonna paste all that information there and enter, and you're gonna wait a little and that should be it. Now you have created a repository, and now if you refresh the site, it should give you the information there for your new repository. You see that it's created some of the command lines that we wrote created a new README file or markdown file, which basically says your project 2, the name of the repository. Okay. Some information here, git commit, that's the message that you give for every change you make. So the message that we gave it was first commit, that's the default message for initializing a repository, and it's here, as you can see. We changed the branch to a main. It used to be something else before here, but now it's called main. And of course you can see now that because we've activated on the previous tutorial that I basically created, right? We tied our computer to an SSH key, so that's why it gave us the automated command line of adding it to this .git address, which is tied to our SSH key in our computer. Okay, we typed it. After that, we pushed all the changes or the commit, which is basically just adding that README file, to the internet, to the GitHub, and that's why now you can see that it's tied. Now we have this folder, which now has a README file. It is tied to GitHub, from our computer to GitHub, right? Now that's it for this video. Thank you.